So why you should become a truck driver? Hello guys, and for those of you that are wondering what is to be a truck driver, should you become one, should you start to take all your licenses and do this job for real, I'm going to answer all of your questions right now and to tell you the positives and the negatives from my point of view. The first thing is, if you want to become a truck driver, you have to love to drive. I don't think there is a truck driver that hates to drive, and even if there is people like that, I don't think they last long at this job. Driving is 95% maybe of your time, depending on your job. It's either you love it and you do this job, either you're not for that kind of work. The second thing for me is that you have to be, or to learn to be, independent. A lot of things depend on you here. You have to do very good geographic, you have to deal very good with the clients, you have to manage to calculate a lot of things about the kilometers and the diesel. It's not so complicated, of course, but there is also the tachograph, or I don't know how it's called in English, that you have to manage to understand it, because there is a lot of rules, especially here in France and in Europe mainly, that, for example, you can't drive more than 4 hours 30 without taking a break, at least 45 minutes of break. So you have to know very good the rules, and of course to do everything as the law says. Otherwise you will have problems with the police. The other thing is that you manage to do good hours. Yeah, you're not very good paid, I have to admit. The payment by hour, it's low, it's very low, but you do a lot of hours driving, and that makes the money to be more at the end of the month. I know this is for every job, but not on every job you can do 12 hours each day. And in truck driving, from my experience, most of the time you're going to have at least 8-9 hours per day. So I find it solid, yeah. The other positive that I see, and I mentioned it before multiple times, it's the landscapes. Look at all these beautiful fields with vegetables, with different type of grains. You literally have all day views like that. You visit a lot of new places. You discover a lot more of the country that you're driving in. And me as a person, I love being outside, I love discovering new places, and yeah, if I have to say it in one sentence, driving a truck, it's a very nice and big adventure. You all the time have to be in control of the truck, so you stay safe and you are doing your job properly, so you keep others safe also. But in the same time, you're going out there, discovering new places, new territories, and there is nothing more enjoyable than that. To enter in some narrow city, to deal with the narrow roads, to be able to maneuver with your truck, to reverse it somewhere where it's very hard. In the beginning it can be very stressing, but once you start to understand the principles of the truck and how it's working and how it's supposed to be driven, it becomes an amazing experience. And every time you're behind the steering wheel with some nice music, you're really like, let's go on adventure. As everything, of course, there is positives and negatives. And let's talk a little bit about the minuses of the job. First thing for me, it's really the staying all day in the truck, and especially the guys that are sleeping in their cabin. Sometimes it can be really too much. You're away from your family, away from your kids, away from your parents, away from your friends, all the time. You really appreciate the weekends when you go back at home and you see everybody, and it makes you appreciate the time with them. But I have to admit that sometimes it can be very tough knowing that in the next 5 days, or even there is guys that go for 1 or 2 months on trips in whole Europe and they don't see their families. I can say that this can be really frustrating, and I already tried this and I hated it with all my heart. And even if the money are more, I quit it, and now I'm driving just the day, and at night I'm going back straight to my home. The other minus is that you have to pass, at least for us, 2 driving licenses, 2 different ones. First you have to pass for a little truck. You have to have an experience with it, at least 1 year, and then you can pass the E category, which is the big trucks, and these things cost a lot of money. After there is a formation of 1 month that costs 1,500 euro, it's called the FIMO in France, and when you get all this together, you're paying around 5,000 euro to become a truck driver. And you realize when you start doing the job that you are paying almost the minimum salary per hour. This, I found it very strange, very, very strange. You're risking your life, you're spending all day in a truck driving hundreds and hundreds of kilometers, and at the end you're receiving the same money as some person that is unqualified and doesn't spend the money and all the time to learn something new. I have to admit it can be very frustrating, and I really don't understand why it's like that. I really think they have to do something with this, because yeah, this is not normal. The other negative that I find in the truck driving is getting out of shape very, very fast, with bad food, not moving, not having enough of sleep. You can really start to gain weight, getting out of shape and all that, and it can affect a lot your mood, because even if you want to do exercises and to eat good, it's very, very hard when you spend all your time in the truck. It's really hard. Right now I'm doing some diet and I'm trying to eat as lean as possible, but for workouts I literally don't have energy. When I come back at home, you have to decide, do you want to rest and to feel good on the other day, or you do a workout, you do what you have to do, but on the other day you are so tired that you're wondering why you did the workout and why you were doing this to yourself. It's really 2 things that I don't say they are impossible to match, but it's very, very hard. And I understand why there is a lot of truck drivers being out of shape. And yeah, it's a good thing that I don't smoke, I don't drink, but there is truck drivers that, because they are bored all day, they are smoking in their cabin because they have nothing else to do, and they are driving smoking, and this for the body, it's horrible. It's really the worst thing you can do. If you are entering in this job, please guys, take care of your health, and in your breaks don't just sit and scroll on your phone. Go out there, do little walks, even if it's 10 minutes, it's better than nothing. If you're working let's say 20 days in the month. 20 days multiplied by 10 minutes of walk. At the end, it's what, 3 hours 20 minutes per month of walking. It's not huge, but it's better than nothing, right? So yeah, that is the main positives and negatives for me. Tell me, what do you think? Do you agree? If you don't agree, tell me with what you don't agree in the comments, please. Take care of you guys as always, and yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye bye.